What's up guys, welcome to another Scratch tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get the pet trend in Scratch. If you don't know what that is, it's a GIF that you can use so that it's your profile picture on Scratch. So you can download the GIF and then upload it to your profile picture on Scratch. So I'll be showing you how to make that. So without further ado, let's get started. First, you want to go to this website, links in description. You see it says to upload an image, so just choose a file. So I chose my file, and as you can see, this will automatically change so that the hand is petting your profile picture. And if you don't have a file, you can just download your profile picture by just screenshotting it or something like that. But yeah. So I uploaded an image, and then it says scale, and you can change it like that so that the size, I'm gonna just make it like that, and you can change the frames per second, FPS. The higher the number is, let's say 20, it gets faster, and then if you get lower, like 5, it's slow, but I'm not going to change it. You can change it if you want to, though. And then you press this button, export to GIF. And there, this is your output. And there is no download button. So what you need to do is right click on the GIF, press save image as, and you can save it. I'm going to call mine profile picture. You can call yours anything you want. So it will download it over here. And then you go back to Scratch, change your profile picture, so it's like that. I press open, and as you can see, nothing has changed. Your profile picture has not changed. So what you need to do is just reload the page. And then there. So now your profile picture is the pet trend. And this also works for other things too that has a profile picture, not just for Scratch. So yeah, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next Scratch tutorial. Peace out.